Hello traders, hello investors, how are you doing today my friends? Welcome to another video here in the Finance Hydra channel. My name is Nathan and Tesla is doing absolutely nothing today, dropping minus 0.37. It feels like in the past couple of days Tesla is one of the most boring stocks ever, right? It has been doing absolutely nothing, but it only feels like it because technically speaking, Tesla is looking great to me. This means a lot to me. And if you ask me, we have technical reasons to believe that Tesla could explode from here again, right? So technical reasons, not what I guess, what I think. I will give you technical reasons that could reinforce a bullish thesis on it. So my dear friends, if you are already my subscriber, please click on the like button to support this channel. If you are new around here, consider subscribing because I do daily videos about Tesla, even when Tesla does nothing like it is doing right now today. So I think you're gonna like, we have a very good track record in Tesla. We essentially always nail our targets, right? So let's take a quick look at how Tesla is doing. Let's take a closer look in the 1 hour chart. Here we see a crystal clear congestion. Tesla is moving sideways. So if you are an investor, if you are trading it, or if you are on the sidelines and, I don't know, want to buy Tesla at a cheaper price, or if you're anxious about a pullback, let's keep this price level in mind. 1074. That's the most important support level in Tesla for the short term, because only if Tesla loses this black line down here, we're gonna see a sharper pullback in Tesla. Okay? So far, we are still above the 1074, so great. Nothing is going to happen. The bullish thesis is still intact in the short term. Now, what if Tesla loses the 1074? Well, the bullish thesis would still be intact in the midterm, not in the short term because we're gonna see some pullback, but in the midterm, in the daily chart. As far as I know, guys, as far as I know, Tesla could drop all the way down to the 21 exponential moving average and the trend would still be bullish. Where is the path to here? Tesla is doing higher highs, higher lows, okay? So as far as I know, we could drop all the way down below the 1K again, and this is it. It's still bullish. It would still be a bull trend. So mid/long term speaking, I am 100% bullish, even considering a scenario where Tesla would lose the 1074 and retest again its EMA. Even if it does that, I am still bullish. In fact, if it does that, it would be just an opportunity to buy. Because again, the trend is bullish in the midterm. So it is a very easy situation to work with. So this would be a bearish scenario for the short term. Tesla must lose the 1074, okay? That's the most important key point. What's more, we have a gap over here, okay, in the 1 hour chart. So this gap could be easily filled if we lose the 1074. So let's keep an eye on it. So far, that would be our bearish thesis, our bearish scenario in Tesla, which was not materialized yet. We don't have any confirmation of a bearish reversal or of any bearish structure in Tesla. We don't see any pullback sign. So let's just keep our eyes open at the 1074 for now. Okay, let's keep this point in mind. So what if we don't lose the 1074? Then the bull trend will continue. And what's more interesting is that Tesla, it feels like it is doing nothing, but this pattern repeats a lot. It did repeat over here last week, for Christ's sake. See, Tesla last week, it did a very similar accumulation from March 23 to March 24, which exploded on March 28, which was a Monday, okay? This was the split news. Now, this accumulation lasted for a few days, for a couple of days as well, and we exploded again, and right now we are doing another accumulation. This is also known as a trap zone because the 21 EMA is going up, is squeezing the price against the 1115, which was our original target for the midterm. And at this point, we have a crystal clear resistance, which is not going to be that easy to break. But since we are in a trap zone, if we break the 1115 again, Tesla could easily explode to 1208. okay? 1208, that would be our next target, and even beyond this point, because as I told you guys yesterday, this green line is here connecting all the previous tops in Tesla since 2021. That line has real chances of being retested. And I do not even know where the price is, but surely is above 1400s. So, of course, I do not believe we're gonna hit 1400s in one single bullish leg from the 700s over here, okay? I do not believe this is going to happen right now. I do believe we're gonna see a pullback, but again, what I believe is totally irrelevant, because as long as we don't lose the 1074, we are not gonna see any pullback in Tesla. We will still be 100% bullish. Now, when we analyze this scenario, I think we have even more interesting facts to analyze. But first, if you want to be a swing trader like me, consider subscribing at my trading newsletter, the Finance Hydra trading newsletter, the only newsletter which results are totally public. However, if you want to have access to my recommendations in real time, just subscribe. I firmly believe you will be very, very pleased, because we are one of the few that can consistently beat the market, right? So seriously, consider subscribing. Now, what is interesting about Tesla is that since it started going up, look at the volume over here. The volume increased it nicely. And then we did some congestion, the volume decreased it. Now, after the news about the split, we went up nicely again. However, in the past couple of days, the volume is decreasing once again. Why is this happening? Because people are not selling Tesla. Okay, probably some of the smart money booked profits over here, but still, it is just profit taking. No one is actually selling Tesla or short selling Tesla because it is a terrible company, right? This is crazy. Tesla is extremely bullish. It is a true bear killer. And so far we have not a single bearish structure reversal sign around. And the volume is decreasing only because people are a little bit cautious, okay? It's just out of caution, not because people believe that Tesla is not going to perform well next. So the reading of the volume, the reading of the price action, everything over here is telling me that Tesla will keep going up. And it will keep going up even if it does a short-term pullback triggering the 1074. Okay, so this is my reading about Tesla, and these are the scenarios we should work with in the next few days, okay, for the next few days, of course. So I will keep you guys updated. So remember, my dear friends, subscribe, click on the like button, because again, I think our content is pretty good. Am I right? Thank you very much for your support, my friends. See you guys tomorrow. Stay safe. Farewell.